Have you ever scrolled through TikTok and seen one of those weird side hustle hacks that claim you can make easy money in just a few hours? Most of us laugh, maybe even get tempted, but never actually try them. Well, I decided to put these side hustles to the test. Today, I'm sharing what happened when I tried 5 of the strangest TikTok money-making ideas, and which ones actually made me cash. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe so you never miss real stories of what works and what's just hype. 1. Rent a friend. Yes, this is a real thing. You literally sign up on websites to rent yourself out as a friend. It's supposed to be for things like going to events, playing video games, or just chatting. I thought it was bizarre, but I signed up anyway. After waiting a couple of days, I got a request to hop on a 1-hour call with someone who just wanted to talk about movies. It was simple, awkward at first, but surprisingly fun. Payment? $12. Did it feel weird? Absolutely. Did it make me money? Yep. 2. Reviewing random products. TikTok is full of people claiming you can get paid to write reviews for products, so I gave it a shot. I signed up for a platform where you test small gadgets and leave feedback. The catch: most of the free products weren't really free. I had to buy them first and then wait for reimbursement. I ended up with a phone stand and a cheap kitchen gadget. The payout? Just a couple of bucks and some products I didn't really need. Honestly, this one felt like more work than reward. 3. Cleaning odd jobs. I saw a TikTok where someone made quick cash by offering to clean random things for neighbors, like ovens, garages, or even cars. So I put up a quick ad online, and within a day I was scrubbing a stranger's microwave and wiping down their counters. They handed me $25 cash when I was done. Not glamorous, definitely sweaty, but compared to some of the other hustles, this one was straightforward and actually worth the effort. 4. Transcribing weird audio clips. TikTok swears by these transcription jobs where you type out audio files and get paid per word or minute. I signed up on one of the platforms and got my first task, a messy, muffled recording of someone talking about their grocery list. Not exactly thrilling. I spent 30 minutes typing and got $4. That's right, 30 minutes for the price of a cheap coffee. Technically, it worked, but the pay rate was brutal. 5. Selling random photos online. This one sounded almost too easy. TikTokers say you can upload photos of everyday objects, like coffee mugs, doors, or even clouds, and sell them as stock images. I tested it out, uploaded 10 random shots I had on my phone, and waited. After a week, I got my first sale. Someone actually paid for a photo of a cracked sidewalk. The earnings? $2. Not life-changing, but it proved that the system really does work. So, what actually worked? After trying all 5, here's the truth. Most of these side hustles are real, but they're far from get-rich-quick schemes. The cleaning gig gave me the most money in the shortest time. Rent a friend was fun, but awkward. Product reviews and transcription paid almost nothing. And selling random photos was surprisingly cool, even if the earnings were tiny. The lesson? TikTok isn't lying, these side hustles exist. But if you want serious money, you'll need to scale them up or combine them with something bigger. At the end of the day, testing these side hustles was an adventure, and it showed me that making money online is rarely as easy as TikTok makes it look. But hey, if you want some pocket change or just a fun story to tell, some of these are worth trying. Which one of these weird hustles would you try first? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join me on the next experiment to find out what side hustles are really worth your time.